Little update on this lawn that we levelled with 5 ton of topsoil 1 week ago. Look at this. This had 0 grass. 0. Look at that for 1 week. Just shows you what a difference it makes when you've got the nice weather. The grass starts to come through. I am so pleased with this. There's the blossom there coming off the tree. Thankfully, it looks like most of it's now clear. Like from over there, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to very carefully with my blower try and get some of that off, just to give that chance, because those seeds there may not germinate very well. But if you come down to ground level, look at that, and it's still looking good. I am absolutely buzzing for 1 week. That looks amazing. I wasn't really expecting anything, but I thought I would just pop in. I'm working around here today. I thought I'd pop in and just have a look. I'll pop in again in a couple of weeks' time, or when I'm next round, and they should have a nice green lawn. All good. Alright guys, thanks for watching.